Here we go, 4 AliExpress watches. Let's get into it. If we can, there you go. I can't even remember what I bought. I think there's some quartz and some automatics in there. Ah, Pagani design. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Wow. Beautiful. Not an original design, surprising. Okay. Automatic. It's got that Seamaster vibe, I think it was. Okay, haven't had any watches of this buckle before. On to the next. Nice. I'm wearing my Citizen. 1 of 8. Next up is, this is an easy one to open. Addiesdive. Oh yeah, I remember this one. I always wanted this one. This one doesn't have the logo on it. So if you know, you know, but this is a quartz from Addiesdive? Yeah, Addiesdive. And the dial, wow, that's lovely. It's like a sandy effect. So cool. Working from box, yep. What's the class like on this one? Ah, milled. Damn, okay. This is cheap as chips. That looks great. Love it. What's next? What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, Megir. I think I've only got 1 of their watches. I got this chunky bitch. Hey, chunks. It's a mechanical though, so I thought F it. Proper beast mode on that. And lastly, let's see what this one is. Pagani again. Oh, that's a beautiful dial. I think this is a quartz one.